This is the Airvo 2 unit made by Fisher Paykel. The Airvo 2 is a high-flow heated humidity system that can be used either with nasal cannula or mask or trach mask therapy. The unit has a hot plate here, and then it has the locking mechanism here for the chamber. In order to put that chamber in, what we're going to do is go ahead and push down on the locking mechanism, add the chamber into place, slide it in, and then in order to get that attached, we're going to use this adapter. So this adapter will slide onto the chamber, and then it'll fit into these two rubber fittings. So it's important that you push the chamber all the way back and then allow those rubber fittings to go inside the plastic adapters all the way, push it in, and the locking mechanism will pop back up as you heard, and we're locked into position. From that point on, the 290 chamber is a drip feed system, so that means we can go ahead and spike either a pre-filled sterile water bag by removing the tip off of here and spiking the bag, or we can use a refillable type with either sterile water or distilled water. And there's a plastic cap that I've removed from the end here, took that off already, which allows me to go ahead and spike through the rubber here for drip feed into the chamber. So looking around the unit just a little bit to see what's on the side of it here and everything is this is the oxygen inlet. So this is a spot that we could add oxygen tubing from a concentrator or any oxygen source and add it into the intake in the back. So the intake in the back here, if I press down on this cover, I can take the cover off. There's a filter. So this is where it's drawing the air through, and this is where we're adding oxygen into this cover for it to draw through with the air mixture. So the filter is changed just whenever dirty, so keep an eye on that. It's a removable, disposable type filter. We'll press that into position, and then we'll put the cover back on, snap it into place. Notice the power cord, that attaches right back here. We'll turn it around, and then in order to use the system, typically it's placed on a stand like this. You notice the stand has a couple of pegs right here where we can set the unit, and it'll drop into those pegs and hold in position. This gives us a place that we can hang the water bag. And then we're going to go ahead and attach the tubing. And the tubing is a 5-foot tube, and it's a heated wire tube. So the electrical connection for it is here, and that connects to the front of the unit here. There's an electrical connection back here. So I'm just going to line that up so that the electrical contacts come together, press down, and that'll click into place. The next thing, if I wanted to remove it, I would just pinch the sides here and I could pull up on the tubing. So now it's ready to go. Now the thing we're going to do is go ahead and power the unit up, and we can go through the display features that'll show up on the screen here.